Uh, Today I am going to teach about the question electric field due to an electric dipole at a point on the axial line for 12th standard student physics first volume first unit electrostatics unit 1, that is electrostatics. It's a very important question, 5-mark question. How to find electric field due to an electric dipole at a point on the axial line. First you are going to see about the different types. What is electric dipole? What is mean by axial line? What is electric dipole? What is axial line? If you know these two terms, then it is easy to move further. Electric dipole. Electric dipole, that is nothing but two equal and opposite charges. Two equal and opposite charges. This is minus q, this is plus q. Two equal but opposite charges are separated by very small distance. Two equal charges, here q, this is also q, equal charges but opposite. This is positive, this is negative. These two charges are separated very small distance to A. Here very small distance, but in our board we draw this in a long distance, but comparatively very small, like H2O, that is H2O, HOH. This is an example of dipole. So this two make dipole, this two make dipole. So this distance is very small, very small. So such a very small distance, two equal and opposite charges are separated by a very small distance constitute electric dipole. Constitute electric dipole. Okay, now we know what is electric dipole. Then what about axial line? So you see this, suppose this is a point, this point is situated along the axis of this line, along the axis of this charge. So now this point and this line is named as axial line. So line along these charges were situated. So we come to the conclusion that the meaning of electric dipole and the axial line. Now I am going to enter the answer of this particular question. Electric field due to an electric dipole at a point on an axial line. For that, we are going to draw the diagram. That is, this is a negative charge minus q. Here it is a positive charge plus q. These two are separated by a very small distance, that is 2a. Here it's named as A. This is named as B. So dipole, electric dipole. Then consider a point C. Consider a point C which is situated along the axis of this dipole, along the axis of this dipole. Let us consider a point C which is along the axis of electric dipole. This point C is located at a distance, that is at a distance r from the center of the dipole. From the center of the dipole. So we assume a point C that is located along the axial line which is r distance from the center of the dipole, from the center of an electric dipole. So the distance between the center of dipole to this point is, that is r. Then further, the distance between this center to the point B is actually this is A. So this point is actually A, the distance between center to point B. Then distance between center and this point A is also A. 2A is a distance between the two charges plus Q and minus Q, that is dipole and A. Then further, what about this distance? The distance from the point B and this C, between point B and C, this is named as R. So totally R. So from that this part is subtracted, so R minus A. So R minus A is a distance between B and C. Then this part between A and C, that is A plus R plus A. So from this C to B, C to O, R, and from here A, once again R plus A. So this is a complete explanation in this particular diagram, that is representation of the situation of these part charges. So everything over. Now we go to the derivation part. So consider an electric dipole that is minus Q and plus Q, that's separated by very small distance to A. Let C be a point that is at a distance R from the center of the dipole. Then distance between the point charge, that is charge plus Q to C, is R minus A, minus Q to C is, that is R plus A. Now I am going to write about that electric field. First we are going to write the electric field at the point C. Electric field at the point C due to this positive Q, that means plus Q. Electric field at the point C due to this positive charge plus Q. The formula is there, E plus electric field at the point C due to positive charge. E plus is equal to, one formula is there, 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. So how to get this formula? We have previously we have one formula, that is electric field E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q by R square. This is distance square. So this is a formula. So from this you can take 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. Here epsilon 0 is a permittivity in free space. That means how much the electric lines of force are permitted through free space. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into that charge Q divided by this distance. This distance means that is BC the whole square. BC the whole square along BC. The direction of this electric field E plus is in this direction. One question is there, why this electric field E plus in this particular direction? Because from positive charge the electric field direction is pointed outward. From positive charge, the electric field direction is outward. In negative charge, electric field direction is inward. So here it is outward. E plus is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by bc square. That is along bc. And now E plus is equal to, that is q by 4 pi epsilon 0. What about BC? BC is equal to R minus A. That means R minus A the whole square into P cap. Now one question, what is mean by P cap? The unit vector of dipole moment. Unit vector of dipole moment. Here P is dipole moment. P, value of P is equal to Q into 2D. That is Q into 2A. P nothing but dipole moment. Dipole moment nothing but the product of any one charge. Product of any one these charges and the distance between the two charges. So here it is unit vector P cap in terms of electric field. In terms of vector. So it is a vector representation E plus. So the first part is over. Electric field at C due to the positive charge is over. Now similarly the electric field at C due to minus Q. That means negative charge that is available at A. The A point A. So similar same way, what's the answer? So E minus. Why the meaning? The minus is because of electric field at a point C due to the negative charges. So E minus also this direction. Then that is vector is equal to that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 minus q. Minus q will be there. So the minus will be taken outside. Minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by, that is AC squared. AC squared. What is the value of AC? AC, value of AC is R plus A. That is AC squared means R plus A the whole square into P cap. This is a electric field at C due to negative charge, that is minus Q, and that is electric field in terms of vector representation is given. So this, now from this we come to the conclusion that whether the positive field, that is field at the point C due to positive charge or the negative charge is greater magnitude. When you are comparing the magnitude of electric field, that is E plus at the point C and E minus at the point C, E plus, actually the electric field E plus, that is greater than E minus. So why the value is greater? Because E plus, the magnitude of E plus is greater because numerator is, that is a particular case here, R minus A is less. R minus A is less than that of R plus. So in that particular denominator part is, in the case of E plus, denominator part is less value. The case of E minus, the denominator value is high. So we come to the conclusion that E plus is greater magnitude than that of the E minus. So the net electric field is in the direction of E plus. So the total electric field, E total, that is in the direction of, E total is in the direction of that is along BC, in the direction of along BC. E plus is also in the direction of BC. So this is the conclusion. What about the E positive value and E minus value? So note down this expression. Now we move to the next step. So electric field at C due to electric field at C due to dipole, due to electric dipole. So that means E is equal to E plus E minus. So the net value or total electric field, the total electric field, net electric field, the net electric field at C, net electric field at C due to the electric dipole, that is E total vector is equal to E plus vector, E minus vector. So now we add these two, that means E total vector is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0, that is q by 4 pi epsilon 0 into r minus a the whole square, the value is here, into p cap minus, here it is minus. So here also 1 by r4 q by 4 pi epsilon 0 into r plus a the whole square, p cap. So now I am going to rub this one. So everything completed, that is E plus is greater than E minus, so that the net field is along BC. Net field is also along this direction BC. So E plus in this direction, E minus is in this direction, because electric field due to negative charge is pointed towards negative charge. Electric field due to positive charge is pointed away from the positive charge. So E plus, E minus, and now E total that is also in this direction of BC, in this particular direction along BC. So now E total value is already over. Now we can conclude, find out that final value of E total. So E total is equal to, that means E vector, the total value is equal to, then they can take the common value q by 4 pi epsilon 0, that is common for both the term, then 1 by r minus a the whole square minus 1 by r plus a the whole square into, that is p cap. Now take the LCM, E total, that is equal to q by 4 pi epsilon 0, then take the LCM, so this here it is r squared minus a squared the whole square. This is by the way of a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b. Here r minus a, r minus a, r plus a, r plus a. 1 r minus a into 1 r plus a we taken as r squared minus a squared. Another r minus a into another r plus a, we can take r squared minus a squared. As a whole, r squared minus a squared the whole squared. So the denominator over. In case of numerator, it is r plus a the whole squared minus r minus a the whole squared into, that is p cap. Now this is equal to q by 4 pi epsilon 0. Q by 4 pi epsilon 0 into this by using a plus b the whole squared formula, r squared plus a squared plus 2ra, then minus that is r squared plus a squared minus 2ra, then divided by r squared minus a squared the whole squared, then into p cap. So this is a, now once again we completed by simplification. So I am going to rub this one, simplify this. What about the net electric field at this point? So after simplification, E total, that is equal to q by 4 pi epsilon 0 into r squared plus a squared plus 2ra minus r squared minus a squared plus 2ra, by entering this minus into the bracket value, then divided by r squared minus a squared the whole squared. So we can cancel these two terms, So the answer is q by 4 pi epsilon 0. Then into the 2RA 4RA divided by r squared minus a squared the whole squared into p cap. So now once again in this particular case r is far greater than a. Now see this, r is far greater than a. A is very small, as already I pointed out that the value of a is very small because it is the distance between the two atoms in case of molecule, that is H2O. Already told H, O and H. The distance between O and H is very less, negligible, of the order of 10 power minus 10. So A, this is A actually. The O, between O and H distance is there. This is A. This A is very small. This A is very small comparing this R. So you can neglect. So that is A squared neglected. A squared neglected. So you can neglect this A squared part. So what about this answer? We move to the next part. That is the E total. That is E total, E vector. The total is equal to q by 4 pi epsilon 0 into, you can rewrite this 2a into 2r. 4ra can be written as 2a into 2r. Then divided by this r squared, this a squared is neglected. A squared neglected means in denominator, that is r power 4 into p cap. Then one r and one r cancel, so it is q. So E total, that is equal to q by 4 pi epsilon 0 into 2. This q into 2a. This q into 2a you can write p, because already I pointed out that what is mean by p. Then p into 2 divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 into r power 3. This is a equation. So I rewrite like this. Okay, I rewrite this in the next E total electric field E vector is equal to P into 2. Here what is mean by P? Here actually P vector. Here P vector nothing but Q into 2a into p cap. So q into 2a into p cap is rewritten as p vector, that is dipole moment. So we rewrite E total is equal to 2p vector divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 into r power 3 along BC direction. Along BC. This is actually the final value of this electric field due to an electric dipole at a point on axial line. Further, going to talk about what is the direction of electric dipole. Electric dipole is also vector. I told electric field is a vector. This electric field direction is in this direction. That is along BC. Now one question is there. P is also vector. P means electric dipole moment. What is the direction of electric dipole moment? Actually the dipole moment P, the direction of dipole moment is direction of P vector, that is from that means from negative minus charge, actually minus charge to positive charge. So this direction is also in this way. The direction of P vector is from minus Q to plus Q. So this is the answer of this particular question. Electric field due to an electric dipole moment. So more or less here In this particular case, both the electric field direction and electric dipole directions are parallel, or also in the same direction. This conclusion of this first question, first big question. So 12th standard student, for any suggestion you please comment that. Just we meet in the next video. Thank you.